Welcome back to the channel as we explore the Bronypro ceramic baking sheet set. These non-toxic trays feature a natural ceramic coating that is completely PFOA and PTFE free. You get 70% better non-stick performance for effortless food release and perfect roasting every time. The heavy-duty aluminized steel construction provides superior heat distribution and resists rust for long-lasting use. This versatile three-piece set includes quarter, jelly roll, and half sheet sizes for any kitchen task. Removable silicone handles ensure a safe grip, while the pans withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees. Cleaning is simple, since you can just wipe away residue or place them in the dishwasher. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.